Pataye Hara Hara
Maha Shivaratri at Sannyasi Shivdham, Medaghat Baksa, BTR, Assam. About Sannyasi Shivdham. Sannyasi Shivdham, sometimes written Sannyasi Shivdham, is a Shiva shrine located in Medaghat within Baksa district of the Bodoland Territorial region, Assam. It's a sacred place dedicated to Lord Shiva that attracts devotees from across the local area and beyond, especially on auspicious days like Maha Shivaratri. Maha Shivaratri 2026. Maha Shivaratri is a major Hindu festival honoring Lord Shiva. The festival is observed annually on the Falguna Krishna Chaturdashi, according to the Hindu calendar, and in 2026 falls on Sunday, February 15th. Devotees observe fasting, night-long prayers, pujas and vigils at Shiva temples and sacred shrines like Sannyasi Shivdham. What happens at Sannyasi